Students, I welcome you again in grade ninth. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is the characteristics of an entrepreneurship. Basically, an entrepreneur is a person who undertakes a new business or a venture with some idea of profit and involving certain type of a risk. So this is the meaning of an entrepreneur. So entrepreneurship is the act of setting up a business and taking a financial risk with a goal of earning a profit. It is called an entrepreneurship. Basically, an entrepreneur is derived from the French word which means to undertake. So there is a one quote which is related with an entrepreneurship is that it is a living a few years of your life like most people want, but so that you can spend the rest of your life like so most people cannot. So it means that if you want to become an entrepreneur, you should have to take an initial and an initiative step towards our goals. So the entrepreneur includes business plans, ideas, success, analysis, etc. So if we can recognize our opportunities where others see that what we can do, and it also includes challenges and the continuous creates the future. So these all terms are related with the entrepreneur. So our next question arises that who are entrepreneurs? So entrepreneur includes various types of qualities and features, like it creates new business in situations of risk and with objective of profit and growth, use all the resources in an efficient and effective manner, and opportunity of capitalization. So these are qualities are includes in an entrepreneur. So an entrepreneur includes various types of characteristics like vision, high energy level, need to achieve, self confidence, optimistic, futuristic, etc. The more important characteristics of an entrepreneur is tolerance for failure, and the which is very important characteristics is the creativity. So there are various essential ingredients which must be included in an entrepreneurship, like willingness to take a risk in terms of time, equality, career, and the ability to formulate an effective venture team with the help of a leadership qualities, and helps to make up business plans. The vision to recognize opportunity where others sees chores and a contradiction and a confusion, you can become a successful person in that place. So, what is the meaning of an entrepreneurship development? Students, what you do to perform well in schools or in your examinations? You join various coaching classes, institutions. Besides your coaching classes, you have to take a more focus on your joint communication skills, etc. So the aim is to develop two skills to enhance one personality and to become more successful in your life. So in the same way, to develop and improve an entrepreneurial abilities, you should or an individual have to attend a specific training and a classroom programs. So if you want to become an entrepreneurship development, you must be have an overall development. So there are various stages and a process of an entrepreneur. First one is the identification and evaluation of opportunities. So firstly, you can identify yourself that where you stand. Second one is the development of a business plans. You can make a plans that what you want to achieve in the future. Third stage is the determination of resources. Here resources means from where you can arrange your money, labor, material, etc. Fourth step is the management of resulting enterprise. After determining of the resources, now then you can manage all your resources so that you can become a successful entrepreneur. And the last one is the change or adapt with time. Like if you want to become an good entrepreneur, you must be changed according to the environment. There are various factors that affecting entrepreneurial growth, like economic factor, social factor, culture factor, personality factor. Our first factor is the economic factor. Basically, economic factor is related with the money. So, economic factor has a direct and the immediate influence on the entrepreneurship. Economic factor includes capital, labor, raw material, market, and the infrastructure. Our second factor is the social factors. Social factors strongly affect the entrepreneurial behavior of a people. So the social environment in which people grow shapes their basic values, norms, etc. Social values includes family, their reference group, their friends, role, society, peoples, etc. So our next and third one is the personal factor. Basically, personal factor is related with your individual personal relations, which includes your income, your occupation, your education, lifestyle, your age. Fourth one is the psychological factor. Psychological factor related with the motivation power, your interdependence, your sense of belongingness, risk taking, hope of success, your feedback, your competition with your competitors, and your leadership quality. So dear students, if you want to become a successful entrepreneur in your life, you have to follow these steps and these key factors, like always ready to take a risk. And you must have a positive thinking towards your life, ready to bear the risk, maintain a good confidence and a communication level in yourself. Always take a initiative to do a things and make your mind a creativity. Basically, role of creativity thinking plays a very important role. Why? Because the generation of ideas, it helps in results in the improvement and efficiency of a system that creates a creativity in an entrepreneur. So students, in the last, if you want to become a successful entrepreneur, you must have these things in your life, like creativity thinking plus systematic analysis is equal to a success. So by following these concepts, you will become a successful entrepreneur in your life.